and broken dreams, voices shouting truth unseen, promises in the midnight air, reasons to believe in prayer. Mountains tall and valleys wide, hopes that somehow never died. Through the storm and through the rain, faith will rise above the pain. Mountains tall and valleys wide, hopes that somehow never died. Through the storm and through the rain, faith will rise above the pain. Only God can make it so. Mend the cracks where rivers flow. Israel bright, America bold, promises from days of old. Only God can make it so. Mend the cracks where rivers flow. Israel bright, America bold, promises from days of old. City lights and desert sands, guided by unseen hands. Unity in silent touch, whispers saying this is much. Stars above and earth below, paths unlocked where we must go. Together strong through trying times, onward bound to higher climbs. Only God can make it so. Mend the cracks where rivers flow. Israel bright, America bold, promises from days of old. Only God can make it so. Mend the cracks where rivers flow. Israel bright, America bold, promises from days of old. Can make it so. Mend the cracks where rivers flow. Israel bright, America